This Select Realty property video is presented by Sandra Thomas. Roomy double-wide mobile home west a double carport, and a deck with ramp. It features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and a gas log fireplace in the centrally located living room to keep toasty in cold temps. There is also a 220 square feet bonus room. Ample primary bedroom has ensuite that features a garden tub, walk-in shower and double vanity. Large kitchen has a cozy, well-lit dining area and a large buffet/prep station. The half bath is convenient to the laundry room and back exit onto a second deck area. This home is priced to make improvements to personalize the space. On the property you will find a 20 by 42 RV cover with concrete pad and electricity, a well, shed and a 14 by 20 utility building. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Thomas at 479-394-7676.